The next problem statement is to calculate the sum of array elements by passing array to a function. So I have given here single line comment, hash include stdio.h int sum of int marks. So this is the array which I am passing to the function. This is the array which is passed to the function name called sum, and n is a globally declared variable where I can access this within the main as well as the outside of this main. We can access the value of n within the main function as well as within the user defined function section. Next, main function int I result marks. These are the identifiers which I want to use as part of this particular code. I is for iterations, result to store the sum value, and marks. Next, enter the number of students. So total number of students are being stored in n. Enter the marks of students. So I will be storing all the n student marks in the array, marks array, that is starting from 0, marks of 0, marks of 1, marks of 2. So I will be storing all the marks of the student. Next, result is equal to sum of marks. Here marks is an array which we are passing to the function. Now printf, we need to get the result, right? Now as soon as your control encounters sum of marks, then it goes to this particular function definition. Now sum of marks, int marks. So here marks are being given in the place of the function parameter. Int s is equal to 0. Initially I am considering sum equal to 0. Next, int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus I. This is pre-increment. So s plus equal to marks of I, which means this is a shorthand assignment. S is equal to s plus marks of I. Now let me execute this code and check whether I am going to get the correct result or not. Let me give the number of students as 3 students. So each student has scored, one student has scored 100, the another student 50, the another student 50. The total marks here are 200, 100 plus 50 plus 50. So this is how we can implement the concept of passing array to function and calculate the sum of array elements.